Video is a simple video to show you how to, if you for whatever reason want to run HDMI cable over 50 feet, or you're concerned that you're going to be losing the quality of the video. Some people have issues where they have to run it 100 feet or 150 feet. And I want to show you how this can be done a lot more strategically. For instance, let's say if you have a cable box or a satellite box and you want to, you have it set up in your upstairs living room and you want to actually have an output to go to the basement TV. And you want to be able to control that satellite box from in the basement without even moving the satellite box. Well, I'm going to show you how that's done. You'll see this product. It's actually from a company called Porta, and you can buy it on Amazon. It's called an HDMI extender. This one is, they come in different power performances. This one can do up to 60 meters, which is about 180 feet or less or more. So what happens is, they give you two boxes. They give you one box, which I have hooked behind my satellite receiver, and it also has a remote receiver. What happens is, or a remote transmitter. So that transmitter goes in front of your satellite receiver and is there to send signals to it. So now you run your wire, whatever it is, 100 feet or more into your basement or whatever, and then you have it, say, coming out like I have it here inside the wall. And now what you're running is not HDMI cable, you're running Ethernet cable. Because Ethernet cable is capable of transmitting signals much further than HDMI. So what happens is, you run that Ethernet back into this box, and then the box HDMI outs to the TV. Okay, and then what happens is the other wire is this little remote receiver. Okay, so now what happens is I have the ability to basically control this TV. Okay, I can control the satellite box from my I can take the remote from the upstairs satellite box, and I can change channels on this TV by pointing it to this remote transmitter. And the video that transmits over the Ethernet cable is the same high quality HDMI uncompressed video. So there's nothing that is done. It's literally using the Ethernet cable to transmit the HDMI signal. And I don't think that there's no compression or anything like that going on. It just goes into the box and redoes the wires so that they can come out back to HDMI. So that's just something I wanted to show you. It's a solution for running HDMI over a long distance. It can be done with this Ethernet cable using an Ethernet adapter. And the beauty of this is not only are you running the cable, but the adapter that comes with this remote control extender, which basically allows you to have your remote control in your other room, and you don't have to be pointing it at your receiver. You're just pointing it at the transmitter, and the transmitter is sending the signal in the box. The signals then goes through your Ethernet cable, and then it goes to the transmitter up in front of your satellite box and sends your remote signal. So I hope that just ends this video, just an idea that I wanted to share.